hiking down Cub Lake, and just a quick view of the trail. It's pretty rugged. It's pretty rugged, to say the least. Definitely a moderate trail. I mean, it is just rocks. You gotta have some good balance to get through all this. There goes my family. They like to leave me when I start videoing, and that's okay. So I'm going to pan back up at the rocks that you will have to climb if you come to Cub Lake. And the lake, I guess I didn't even do a video of the lake. Maybe a small one, I don't remember. But it's kind of a sad lake because the trees all around the lake were on fire. So it's kind of sad.